Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So today I will talk about BGP routing. It's basic for BGP. So before that, you must know what is BGP. So BGP is one of many protocol type, and BGP is to connect another AS to connect AS to another AS, so with a different autonomous system. So now is we will go to our virtual net. Yes, I prepared this lab. You can imagine you in here, ID networkers router and your server. So you have a transit router, maybe you use a BizNet or Telkomsel or another ESP to connect a Google, because our autonomous system is different with Google. We must use BGP protocol. So with a transit is another autonomous system too. Okay, you know, I will, no problem, no problem, anjing anjing, no problem. So I'll tell you in, we will, this is just virtual, so you must play it now. And oh, before that, I can write our IP. Yeah, we can setting our IP in here. It's like this. I give this 10.10.10.0 slash 13. This is just for example. Yeah, this simple IP. And this is 20.20.20.0 slash 13. Okay, perfect. 30 is to what, to host. And I will give Google is default is 8.8.8.0 slash 24. Oh, 0 slash 24. Okay, apply. And in here, because this is my, what I tell it, my local, or my, yes, my local, I will give another 192.168.10.0 slash 24 for simple. Yeah, I just try find us the best simple, the simply better than another. Okay, so I will play this router, every router. I will play it one and one. Now is server in Google and server in ID network. Okay, this is live, and we will try to do is login. You can default is admin, enter, password is nothing, enter again. You can, do you want to see the software license? No. Okay, we take this in here, and okay, I can, yes, like this, like this, like this. Nah, it's not like this. I will try to looks better. Zoom in, zoom in. So okay, I think like this is enough. Now in, we will log into command line for our transit route. Same, just follow the default, and now is Google root. Okay, now we will log in to our server. This is just simple server, these two. We try to, okay, same. This is if you use a virtual just like this, yeah, like we will try another. Okay, this is enough. So I will this I will give him a name. Set before a default name is Mikrotik. I will change it to router IDN. Ah, router RIDN. Okay, it's enough. Okay, everything here is we will use a basic configuration for us. We add address for our transit, so we have to connect our ESP now. We daftar it, yes, it's 10.10.10. I give it 1/13, and in transit I will give him 2 interface. In here either one. I will give for our local .10.1 interface enter 2. I think it's enough. Look for print, there is the daftar, and look from server. We will add this IP .10. I think 11 is nice from another, because it's like simple for think that simple for you follow that. Checking for the address is loading. Okay, show IP. I try to, this is one of many, what we call it, what cara way, man, a lot of way to, we are now there is connect with ping server to our router one. Let's check it out. Okay, cannot, why cannot. Oh, in my router is not /24. Okay, I will try to, what, change number 1 address. Like this. So I will print it. I think it's scan it now. Save. We try to ping it. Okay, we connect to our router. Now we will config our transit So in this transit it's just simple. I will give him a name too. What router? Transit like this. So I will do a basic configuration from either one. We connect to router IDN. So IP is 10.10.10.2 because IDN is 1/30. Interface we can get it ether 1 like this, and 2 for ether 2 connect to Google. In here I use 20.20.20.1/30. Interface we use ether 2 like this. We can try to print it now. I think just try to ping IDN. It can. So our transit is connected to router IDN. Now I will do a basic configuration with routing Google. I give him a name R Google. Address for either one connect to transit. So give me 20.20.22/30. Interface either one. And give him another for local. So this local is connect to Google server. Default is 888.0/24. Interface ether2. We try to print it and check this is connect or not. Yes, we are connect to our transit. Now is from Google server. So we just give him an IP. IP Google is 888/24, and we write a gateway 888.1. I think this is enough. Okay, save. We try to ping it. Why is cannot? I don't know why. Mar, Mar, why is cannot connect? Huh? Look, this is, I think is so true. In router Google is true. 8/0/24, right? Okay. Oh yes, yes. I see. I see. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I make a mistake. I think because this is after what? After libur, after holiday, so my brain is start different. Set one. address. Yes. I write an IP network, not a IP address. /24. That is my fault. Okay, and we try to ping anymore. One. Okay, it's working. And now from Google we can check it. Yes. So from local to local is scan, and connect from connect is scan ping. But BGP is to connect another autonomous system. So this is how us to ping Google to our local. It cannot, because not connected, but we will try to connect it. So you can use routing BGP. This what we call it, one of another protocol. We take instance, we try to print it. See, AS is so lot 65530. We can set number 0 AS. I give him 100, and router ID we can different 11111. Yes, just like this. Now routing BGP peer. What this way? Peer is to connect AS to another AS. So this is two way. One is peer and two is you can add a network. Peer is to connect another AS. We can call it ABGP. What? X BGP. Okay, external BGP. ABGP. You ABGP. Nah, and you can add network for your local. So EBGP, internal BGP. I think internal BGP is can replace like OSPF or another routing protocol, because that is same to one autonomous system. But because I so lazy to make redistribute, I will try to EBGP network. Just BGP peer. This different autonomous system is from router IDN to router transit. So I add what we will add first, remote address for router transit is 10.10.10.2, and remote AS who to 200. Yes, just one. We connect another AS is just charger. My battery is low. Back, charger, back. Sorry, my Soya. Oh, I think it's enough. It's 30% again. 30. Okay, I now will add should be network. Network is our local. I will try to fast because my battery is low. BGP network, add network. You can use your local IP. Oh, /24, like this. Oke. So next from transit, next from transit we try to routing BGP instance first. You do instance first, print set 0 AS is 200 and router ID I will tell it to. Now is because a transit not have unlocal, so we just have routing BGP peer for two side align. That's different. That's my fault. Routing BGP peer for two side. First to what? To router IDN. It's 10.10.1 and 100 like this, and one more for Google. Google is 20 to remote AS is 300, just like this. Try to print. Okay, now from Google, first you do instance set 0 AS. Your AS is 300 and your router ID change it to 3333. Okay, like this. You add a peer to your transit, add remote address for 20.20.1 remote as is 200 like this. And because Google have a local server, you can add your local routing BGP net, add network. Your network is 888.0/24 like this. We try to print it. Okay, look, there is in number 2. So if you want to find your BGP, you can use IP route. Where is BGP? Like this. IP route print where BGP. Nah, this look. It's now is there is our BGP, our local from IDN, and from IDN we can check it. IP route print. Okay, there is from local of Google, and from transit you can find all of them. Look, it's 2 BGP from local Google and local IDN. So we can try. Our server is can ping another server, like ping this 11. I will ping server IDN. Yes, it's running. And from IDN server I will try to ping Google server like this. Yes, it's running too. And from transit I think it's same, it's running, and to IDN. Okay, but if you want to ping from your router, you can do it. Source address, your source address is 888.1 like this, because if you not add that, it cannot ping. I don't know. I will try to explain in another time. Okay, this is our video. This is our this is my video chance first. Thank you, and we will we will try to what? We will try to see in another time. Thank you.